Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking into the unit format your report. So let's quickly jump into a hands-on challenge. To complete this challenge, let's open our Trailhead playground in the split screen window and let's quickly jump into the report section over there. So in this hands-on challenge, we'll be creating a summary report of cases. So let's go to new report and find cases over here. I think it's always better to search in the search box. Let's find cases. Found it. And click on start report. And once you're inside, let's make sure we set up our filters. We set our date as open date and range as all time. And let's make sure our fields are there for case owner, subject and account name. Yep, we got all of them. And let's group our rows by status. That's perfect. You might be wondering, we are not seeing any data. So as this is a Trailhead playground and with data which Salesforce might or might not have added. So it depends on your account entirely if you may or may not save. But still what we are doing is right. So it should be no problem for our challenge. Anyways, so let's save our report as case status and let's save it. So we are done with the hands-on challenge. So let's check if you have done this right. And for those of you who are wondering how actually a report summary looks like, stay tuned until the end of the video. I'll make sure I'll grab another example from the report section and we'll see how actually a report summary looks like with data fed into reports. The report I wanted to show you guys. As you can see, this looks like a spreadsheet or what we call as tabular report. So once we group this report by rows, so in this case let's add stage. So now as you can see, our spreadsheet is now grouped by stage. So we can call this as summary report. Over here we can toggle off our detail rows to just get the record count. So even this is a summary report. So this turns into a matrix report once we add a group column as well. So in this case, let's add probability. Alright, so this is a matrix report. So we have one group row and one group column. Alright, that's all for this video.